If SIACOIN becomes the industry standard storage layer of the internet, there could be a big backfire here, guys, because the more this gets adopted, this ecosystem, the more SHA tokens require to fulfill those associated contracts. I want to talk about SIACOIN today, but first of all, I want to say, wow, crypto markets looking freaking hotter than ever. We're talking about SIACOIN trading with the ticker of SC. The network is actually known as SHA, but SIACOIN is the token itself that's trading. So we're going to talk about this, guys. $800 million market capital. Should you be looking into SIACOIN? Don't be fooled. There's a lot of influencers that talk about this token, trying to pump it to the moon, but unfortunately it is not looking like a long-term hodl for me, guys, and I honestly don't think we're going to see a recovery, especially in the price here. I don't think we're going to see these big all-time highs of 2018 again. So try not to FOMO into this particular coin, especially when it's already doing its pumping, because there's more coins in supply than ever, and the more coins that do go in supply reduces the scarcity, dilutes the value of each coin. And remember, you got to look at these projects by their market capital valuation, not their individual token. And the thing is, the max supply is infinite, so scarcity is not a thing with this particular coin. So SIACOIN looking good right now, but there are better alternatives to be looking at. So let's just firstly jump in with what's happened with SHA Foundation. And I also just want to say, if you're new to the channel, subscribe if you want to hit those crypto goals and crypto achievements. That would be awesome. And yeah, welcome to the channel if you're new here. So SIACOIN, they're doing exciting news from SHA at the moment. February 2024 edition of the State of SHA is out. So what are they actually focusing on? Because whilst I'm not super bullish on the project, they are at least doing refinements, they're doing bug fixes, and enhancing user experience. They're also improving the network efficiency and scalability, and they're also doing other things here, like our focus on upload improvements, which also aims to enhance user experience. Everything is about just improving customer journey right now with SIACOIN. So just want to look at the token very quickly. Crypto markets are sitting at 72, which is super, of course, greedy in the market right now. So what is SIACOIN? SIACOIN, for those that don't know already, the features and tokenomics we won't break down too deep, but it's basically the utility token of SHA Network, a blockchain-based distributed and decentralized cloud storage platform that works by using unutilized storage capacities to create a data storage marketplace. The website does actually look pretty good nowadays. They have indeed updated the website, and it's now looking much more relevant than ever. As you can see right here, decentralized data storage. You've got different sections where you can rent space and store your data on the SHA network. You can host storage, things like this with nice carbon footprint and stuff. But overall, I don't know if it's worth getting into. So we're going to sort of look at it for 2024. Is it even worth buying anymore? Is it a project that you should be looking at anymore? Now, when we scroll down, you can see SIACOIN tokenomics. The current circulating supply is 51.55 billion tokens. So that's quite a big jump from what we've seen in the past. The total tokenomics here of SHA is unlimited. There will never be a cap on the number of SHA coins generated. Humans produce an extensive amount of data, making it practically limitless. So its own flaw is the volume of users and the amount of data that is being produced. The more that is produced, the more coins that are required. So you can see, as of March 23, 2021, there were 37.3 billion coins. Fast forward 3 years to 2024, there are another 10 billion coins in circulation. That's just in the space of 3 years. So in 6 years, we might see another 20 billion token. In 9 years, we might see another 30 billion. In 12 years, another 40 billion. 15 years, the supply could have just 2x'd already. So that's something to also consider as well with tokens like these ones right here. To be fair, creations of new SHA coins. So look at this, over 40 billion SHA coins are circulating, which will continue to increase more and more. The number of SHA coins created for each block is 300,000 minus the height. This means a block with a block height of 200,000 has created 100,000 SHA coins after a height of 270k. The block reward won't go lower, and all blocks will have a reward of 30,000 SHA coins. So that's something to look at. You can also see, zooming in here, coins mined per day, 8.64 million coins every single day going back in. It's not like Bitcoin where the reward rate is dropping every halving and there's a total limited supply of 21 million. So there's a big tokenomic flaw as well with this particular coin too. At least I believe there to be. So that's something to also acknowledge and be aware of, guys. When you look at the pricing of SHA-Coin right now, you can see that SHA-Coin is still down from the previous all-time high of $0.064 by about 77%. So it's going to take a lot of work to get SHA back to where it was. That was when it was pricing at 0.098. And back then it had a market cap of $3 billion, $800 million market cap right now. If you were to do a 4x from here, that would take you to about 3.2 billion. 4x on the price takes you to 0.06. So again, you can see the effects of inflation on this token. You need to surpass the previous market capital by quite a lot. You're looking at like a $5 to $6 billion valuation in order to get back to that previous price all-time high. So you've got to do so much more work. You need so much more liquidity in the project just to get back to where you were based off of the increase in the supply. And that's going to keep hammering and pressurizing the price of SHA-Coin over the years to come. In 20 years, it's going to take so much more actual valuation of the project to get back to a previous unit cost all-time high there. But I suppose we can still look at some of the, the pricing here. Of course, a great time to be getting into SHA every single time by the looks of it is, this 0.0029 region, 0.003 region. Are we even looking at the right coin here? I mean, this isn't matching up if you ask me. Don't know what's going on with the pricing. I mean, oh wow, we are looking at the right coins. That's crazy. Already, the coin from December 2022 is up 5x. So, it's done a big pump already. Is it truly going to 5x again? If you think that the market capital of this coin can get to 4 billion, which would be an all-time high. If you believe SHA-Coin can get to 4 billion and do a 5x from here, then you might be lucky to see a SHA-Coin valued at around 0.085. But you can see that's still barely even an all-time high here on the Binance chart. So a lot of effort is required. The upside potential may be a 5x, but I would not be looking at 10 to 100x's with this particular token right here. It is now trading at a key resistance level, looking pretty overbought on the relative strength index. And we were talking about a massive SHA-Coin short position when it was overbought back in January, which we did, and it's back there. It's back to that overbought level. We did a short on SHA-Coin back in January and we made massive gains. We rode this short down to that first take profit zone, which was around 26%, and it's back there. It's recovered. So it makes me wonder, are we going to see another drop here for SHA, or actually are we going to get some bullish continuation? Because last time it got to the overbought region, it came down in price. It's really hard to kind of know. If you want more insights around this, you can become a patron and unlock trading signals and things like that. So I will be further analyzing this token to figure out whether I'll be going short or long on this particular token right here. But yeah, SHA-Coin long term, I think the project is limited, but short term we could see maybe some sort of upside potential. I personally would not be getting into this project at these price levels because I think the upside potential is diminished, and I'd wait for these lower regions every single time it proves to seem like a lucrative opportunity. If you're buying down at 0.0027 like the smart money, you do actually have a 20x potential. If you're buying now and you are late and you're chasing these green candles, I'm just going to be real, you might have a 3-4x at best, and that carries a lot of risk. But if you are buying down at these lower DCA levels when you should be with the smart money in the extreme fear bear markets, that's when your upside potential is really there. So something to learn is mastering the psychology, understanding the psychology, market cycles, and why bear markets are your friends, and why you should actually not be sleeping in bear markets and have all hands on deck in the bear market. So guys, if you want to achieve those crypto goals and know when to be buying these coins like this one here, which we were looking at, become a patron. Got a Patreon link down below. Crypto Champion, just 2 slots remaining. Crypto Legend, just 3 slots remaining right there. This will give you access to over 300 trading signals per month, as well as early insights and news based around stealth launches, straight to DEX launches, big crypto projects, and it's all going to be in the Discord, guys. So check out the Discord, which is down below. Come say hi, don't be shy. Check out the general chat if you want to. It's completely free. We're over 21,000 members. 21,000 members. And yeah, of course, in the bear markets, we do pick out these coins when they enter these undervaluation phases, which typically for an altcoin is after it's done like a 90% correction. And if you look at SIACOIN, it probably corrected like 90-odd%. Yeah, it did. Look, 95% correction from the top. So why would you not buy it? You know, 95% correction, and that reduces all the downside potential because it's done a 95% correction, and now you're looking at holding long term. But right now, wouldn't be buying it. My honest review of 2024, not touching SIACOIN, because the smart money are already sitting there. They bought their bags down here, and they're going to use you as exit liquidity, and that's the harsh truth. If you agree with me, like, comment. If you get mad at this video, it's because you are one of the smart money guys down here, and you want to, of course, have that early bag pumped as much as possible. But that's the way it works, guys. And even if I did get in early, I still would be looking at realistic targets, not these moon boy numbers. You know, SIACOIN going to $1. It's a load of nonsense. It's a load of nonsense. Anyways, see you soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace, and not financial advice. Bye.